How to download Rainbow Six Mobile on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're ready to jump into Rainbow Six Mobile on your Android device, then the good news is the download process is quick and beginner friendly. First of all, on your Android device, which can be a mobile device or your tablets, open up your Google Play Store. Go to the search icon at the bottom center on the next page and go to the search bar at the top and type in Rainbow Six Mobile. Now, from the search result, look for this Rainbow Six Mobile game from Ubisoft Nova. Now tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your device. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet for a faster download. Once the application is installed, tap on the play button to launch the game open. Allow permissions such as notifications if you really want notification for Rainbow Six Mobile. If you don't want it right now, tap on don't allow and then follow through the instructions. So there you have successfully downloaded and installed Rainbow Six Mobile on your Android device. You can play as a guest or sign in to save your progress by tapping the login button and following through the instructions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.